matrices part 25. Part 25 long answer question, D exercise, most important. Show that ABC, BCA, CAB equal whole square equals to determinant of 2BC minus A square, C square, B square, C square 2AC minus B square, A square, B square, A square 2AB minus C square equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. Okay, take LHS. Let ABC, BCA, CAB. Okay, first find the determinant of matrices. So plus minus plus A into column row delete CAAB minus B into column row delete BACB plus C into column row delete BCCA A into CB minus A square minus B into B square minus AC, okay, plus C into BA minus C square, So ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube. Okay, ABC 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Take the common minus A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Therefore ABC, now BCA CAB whole square equals to ABC BCA CAB equals to minus of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square, that is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. Number 1. Okay, next second one. And ABC BCA CAB whole square. A square means A into A. That ABC BCA CAB into ABC BCA CAB. Interchange two rows, second row, third row. R2 interchange R3. If two rows or two columns are interchanged, then the sign of determinant is change. Okay, right. ABC BCA CAB, okay, minus 1 ABC, what is the minus 1? Two rows interchange CAB BCA, okay, ABC BCA CAB into multiply with 1 in first row, minus A minus B minus C, CAB BCA, product of two matrices. First row, first column, A into A minus A square BC plus CB. First row, second column, minus AB plus BA plus C square minus AC plus B square plus CA. Okay, first row is over. Second row, first column, B into A minus BA plus C square plus AB. Second row, second column, minus B square plus CA plus AC. Second row, third column, minus BC plus CB plus A square. Third row, minus CA plus CAC plus B square minus CB plus A square plus BC. Third row, third column, minus C square plus CAB plus BA. Okay, right. BC 2BC minus A square. AB cancel, AC cancel, CB cancel, BA, CA, CB, BC cancel. Okay, remaining C square, B square. Here C square, CA 2AC minus B square, A square. Okay, B square, A square, AB 2AB minus C square. Question number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. ABC BCA CAB whole square equals to 2BC minus A square C square B square. C square 2AC minus B square A square. B square A square minus 2AB minus C square equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 equals to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay. LHS A square 1, B square 1, C square 1. Okay, right. Applying R1 tends to R1 minus R2, R2 tends to R2 minus R3, right? R1 minus R2, A minus B, A square minus B square, 1 minus 1, B minus C, B square minus C square, 1 minus 1, C square 1. Okay, A minus B, A square minus B square, A minus B into A plus B equals to 0, B minus C into B plus C, 0, C square 1. First row A minus B common, second row B minus C common. 1 A plus B 0, 1 B plus C 0, C square 1. Determinant plus minus plus. A minus B into B minus C, 1 into column row delete 1 a plus b 1 b plus c a minus b b minus c 1 into b plus c minus 1 into a plus b minus a minus b b cancel a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, it is RHS. Okay.